Woodpeckers recently sent me a free set of their finger grip router bits, so I could do a review and let you know what I thought. They're designed to cut the finger pull grooves in the edges of trays and cutting boards, and they're available in 3 sizes for different thicknesses of stock. Now, I've made these grooves before using ball nose bits with the part standing on edge. But Woodpecker's design mills the part while it's on the table using a bearing to guide the bit. The big advantage to this setup is being able to do curved edges. These are good quality bits. They work very well and give a good clean cut. Being able to choose the proper size for your project is a big advantage. Because they're bearing guided, they are limited in how deep they can cut. You may find you need a deeper finger pull on heavier cutting boards. But overall, they'll be a great addition to your router bit set. And as popular as cutting boards and serving trays are, they'll get a lot of use in your shop. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And come visit us at woodcademy.com.